Hi, I'm Bill Smallman, sort of a lifetime Sunday school teacher. We spent 40 years in the ministry, including a decade in Brazil. And it seems like all of this time, wherever we land, I'm teaching an adult Sunday school class or sometimes a youth class. I was saved as a teenager and went to camp that summer. I won't mention 1957. The Bible teacher led us through a study of Philippians and suggested that we memorize the entire book, which I did back then, before the hardening of the smartery set in. And Philippians continues to be a favorite book of mine. So we taught it in our own class recently, and it came out in book form now. Philippians, Rejoicing in Adversity. This is a part of the Trustpages series of studies that we have as a supplement for other teachers of adult classes, whether it's like a Sunday school class. It could be used for prison ministry, campus Bible studies, wherever the Word of God is being taught. So this is available on our website, trustpages.biz, that's .biz, and will be help to you as a teacher of the Bible to supplement other materials that you already have.